All right, here I am doing a quick demo of our virtual reality design system for the Renew Newcastle project, which is a railway station that's being refurbished downtown in Newcastle, New South Wales. We're actually inside one of the spaces here, but before we get into that, let's flip outside and show you what we're looking at here, which is in fact a train station. Which you can probably readily make out here. What we did was we cut this into two. This is spaces 1 to 3, spaces 4 to 6 are in a separate app, and this allows you to move around freely as well as to actually go inside and investigate the spaces, as you can see here in an old restroom stall. The particular application of this, however, is to look at how to design the interiors of these spaces, and I'm going to duck inside here. Before those spaces are available, because we got access to the plans probably 6, maybe even 9 months before the space itself is going to be available. And the idea of this particular space was to begin to design an art studio. So we've put in a variety, for example, of lamps here, with the notion that you could pick everything up and move it around to where you might like to actually see it in the space, get a sense of where the lighting might be. For example, here's a nice lamp that we can move. There we go. And where you'd be able to, fit in furniture and so on. So that was the idea of this, is to have a chance to design the spaces and get a sense of how they do look, different kitchen furniture and so on, well before the actual refurbishment of the railway was complete.